In this video, I will show you how to repeat last action in Blender. Sometimes you need to repeat the same task over and over. This might not be a problem if you have to do it 3 or 4 times, but it can cost you a lot of time if you repeat it dozens of times without knowing the proper shortcut. Select Object. Here we have a cube, and let's first scale it a little bit, and now we press Shift+D. That is, duplicate it, and now just by pressing Shift+R, Blender automatically repeats your last action, and see here we can make this staircase easily in no time. This shortcut works not only in the 3D viewport but in almost every editor, and can be very helpful for modeling, shading, compositing, and animating.